Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on grammar check on Android. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in this tutorial, I'll be using Infinix Note 11. First thing to do is to go to your phone and open up your settings. When you open up your settings, guys, go ahead and scroll to the last option, which is system. Just click on system. When you click on system, it will bring you to this page. Now from this page, you see languages and inputs. Then click on languages and inputs. From that languages and inputs page, guys, go ahead and click on screen keyboard. Click on screen keyboard, it will bring you to this page. Now from here, click on Gboard. When you click on Gboard, it will bring you to these settings. Now from these settings, go ahead and click on text correction. Under this text correction, guys, you see a lot of options. Then scroll upward to get to the last option. Then you will find grammar check. Find grammar check. Then go ahead and click on the button at the front. When you click on the button at the front, you can see the changes. Now that grammar check, it marks grammatical errors with blue underlines while typing. So guys, that is how to turn on grammar check on Android. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.